So hello, I'm Jason Marsh, and I'm here with Sierra Dawson to walk you through the TriCast installation on Windows. So go into this URL, which you can find next to this video, download the FlowTricast exe file, and it will do the scanning for viruses, etc. It actually will probably fail to do that because it's too big a file. But the important thing is that it will not be a verified application. So you'll have to install this without. Okay. You can see it couldn't scan for viruses, so we'll go ahead and download it anyway. And it's going to tell you that it's not commonly downloaded because we just built it. So right-click and keep. And then we can go ahead and open it when it's done. So Windows is coming up and telling us that Windows has protected the PC. Yes, that's right. It's not a validated app. We have an unknown publisher. So you click the info button and run anyway. Go ahead and acknowledge that you're installing the app. And then we'll just click through the standard installation folders. And away it goes. And that's it for the installation process.